Morning, ladies, gentlemen, and their children. This is Captain speaking. Welcome on board. My name is Olcan Yakar, alongside Serkan Şenmen. We are command of today's flight. Our flight time to Istanbul Airport is 1 hour. After preparation, we plan to start our flight in about 15 minutes. On behalf of Turkish Airlines and the entire crew, I wish you a pleasant flight.
You can connect with your with your personal electronic devices. We offer free and unlimited messaging service for our business class passengers and MAviation members. If you don't have a membership, you can immediately become a member of MAviation using the Wi-Fi portal by which you can start using our internet service now. We remind you that you can always ask our cabin crew for detailed information. We wish you a pleasant flight.
For Istanbul Airport in a short time, and we plan to land within 35 minutes. The weather is partly cloudy and the temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. Thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines and wish you a pleasant landing.
Dear passengers, as we are descending, make sure that your hand luggage is stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt. Put your seat back upright, close your tray table, open your window blind, and stow your footrest. You may use your electronic devices in flight mode. Devices which do not have flight mode feature must be turned off. All electronic devices must be disconnected from the in-seat power supply and safely stowed. If available, your personal screen and handset must be stowed properly, and read your safety card in your seat pocket carefully. Thank you.
Aa bak uçağımızın şeyi gözüküyor gölgesi. Küçük gibi ama. Bir kere iki kez
Flightreport, meeting point of the world. We hope that you had a pleasant flight. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. And do not open overhead bins. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins when the aircraft reaches its parking position. You may use electronic devices. We offer unlimited unpaid internet service at Istanbul Airport. You can connect to the UK Wi-Fi network with your Miles and Smiles membership or flight details. Thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines and member of Airlines and hope to meet you again.